How to lock your Bank of America credit card. If you guys are wanting to freeze your Bank of America credit card, you may try following up these steps. So first of all, you may just go ahead and access the website, web version of the Bank of America application, or even the app. Let's head over to the web version for this one right here. So once you're in the web version, you may look out for the login interface where you need to enter up your user ID and your password. So in the top in the screen, you can look out for the section where you need to enter up your user ID. And right below it, you can just go ahead and enter up your password. After that is done, tap on login and you will be logged in into Bank of America application. Now that you're logged in order to log your Bank of America debit card, you may follow up this method. So once you are logged in either into the mobile banking application or even in the web version, you may look out for the menu option, and from the given menu option, look out for manage debit card or credit card option. So head over to that option. You may just go ahead and look out for this manage debit card or credit card option. After that, when you head over to that option, there you will be finding your credit cards, like every credit cards or debit cards that you have within the bank. Now, when you head over to one of the cards, you can easily find different options such as lock, replace, and set limits. So you can look out for this lock option. Select the debit card you wish to lock by swiping left, and once you have selected the right card, you can tap on lock, and you can just go ahead and order an replacement card on the screen if you would like, and tap on replace and follow the prompts provided by the screen. You can confirm that if you're sure you would like to remove the card, like lock the card, you can confirm it by tapping on this confirmation pop-up. After the read over the terms and conditions and tap on lock card, and you can just head over the main menu, tap return arrow. When you're ready to unlock the card, simply follow the same process and select unlock. So that's it. You may follow up this method if you would like to lock your debit card on your Bank of America application as well. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.